is it? What toy is it? It's called Square Panda.
I want to open it now. I want to open it right now.
Okay, we're gonna open it right now. Let's see what happens. Let's see. Okay,
Okay, no. You don't open it. Oh. Oh my. Oh my. Ow.
Is it cool? Wait. Is it cool?
Yeah.
What is it?
I don't know.
It's gonna teach you letters and words.
Okay. Can I open it?
Yeah, open it.
Okay. Oh, it is. Okay. Let's see, what is it? Put your finger right there. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh. They're inside here.
Yeah, there's stuff in here too. Okay, let's set it up, okay?
Yeah.
Say bye.